Welcome to Sarsaya Children's Academy, English class of grade 8. It's your lecture number 1 and I'm your teacher, Ms. Sabah. Dear students, as you all know that the third wave of COVID is in its full swing and the government has shut down all the educational institutes for our safety. That's why we have started our digital classes again to keep you from any kind of educational loss. Let's start with our first lecture. Your first lecture is about the types of sentences. Let's move forward and see how many types of sentences we are going to study in this chapter. In English, we have different types of sentences. Each type is used for a specific purpose. Below are two sentence types and the purpose for which each type is used. The first one is declarative sentences and the second is interrogative sentences. First, let's talk about declarative sentences. These are the sentences that are generally called statements. They can be affirmative or negative. बेसिकली डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो जुमले होते हैं जो या तो किसी चीज़ का इकरार करते हैं या किसी चीज़ से इनकार. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर अफर्मेटिव. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 इज़ आई एम टायर्ड एंड नेगेटिव एग्जाम्पल इज़ आई एम नॉट टायर्ड. दिस फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आई एम टायर्ड मीन्स मैं थका हुआ हूँ एंड नेगेटिव आई एम नॉट टायर्ड मीन्स मैं थका हुआ नहीं हूँ. अफर्मेटिव में आप एक चीज़ के होने का इकरार कर रहे हैं जबकि नेगेटिव में आप उसी चीज़ से इनकार कर रहे हैं. सेम फॉर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, राहील इज़ हंग्री देन राहील इज़न्ट हंग्री मीन्स राहील भूखा है एंड राहील इज़न्ट हंग्री मीन्स राहील भूखा नहीं है. सेम फॉर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, आई हैव 4 पेंसिल्स मेरे पास 4 पेंसिल्स हैं. आई डोंट हैव 4 पेंसिल्स मीन्स मेरे पास 4 पेंसिल्स नहीं हैं. So basically, declarative sentences can be affirmative or negative. Now, let's move towards the next type of sentence. Interrogative sentences are what we call question forms and are used to make inquiries or to confirm information and so on. They can be affirmative or negative both. Basically, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो सेंटेंसेस हैं जिसमें आप किसी से सवाल कर सकते हैं या किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को कंफर्म कर सकते हैं. ये सेंटेंसेस भी दोनों फॉर्म्स में पाए जाते हैं, मतलब ये अफर्मेटिव भी हो सकते हैं और नेगेटिव भी. टू सी दैट लेट्स जस्ट चेक द एग्जांपल्स. नंबर 1, आर यू हंग्री एंड एग्जांपल नंबर 1 इन नेगेटिव इज आरंट यू हंग्री. अफर्मेटिव एग्जांपल मीन्स क्या तुम भूखे हो, दैट इज़ अ क्वेश्चन, एंड इन नेगेटिव इट इज़ आस्किंग क्या तुम भूखे नहीं हो. So basically both are in different forms. One is affirmative and the other one is negative, but both are interrogatives because in both the examples you are asking about something. In example number 2 of affirmative and negative, you're asking the question, did you do your homework or didn't you do your homework? Here both are questions but again with different forms. The first one is saying क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया. नाउ इन एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, हैव यू वॉश द डिशेस एंड हैवंट यू वॉश द डिशेस. द वन इज़ आस्किंग क्या तुम डिशेस वॉश कर चुके हो एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ आस्किंग क्या तुमने डिशेस वॉश नहीं की हैं. सो अगेन बोथ आर क्वेश्चंस बट इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. One is affirmative and the other one is negative. Dear students, always remember the difference between the affirmative and the negative of both declarative and interrogative sentences is the addition of word not. To convert affirmative, declarative or interrogative sentences, you will add not with the helping verb of the sentence. Now, let's move towards your home task. Dear students, today's home task will be done in your English registers, language portion, under the title page of topic types of sentences. Here we have the first exercise. In this exercise, there is a list of sentences given. What you will do is you will write the type of the sentence after each sentence. The first one has been done for you as an example. Number 1, Saiba is shivering. Basically, we don't have the question mark and we are not asking about anything. We are just simply telling something, and that is called statement. And this statement does not have not in it. So it means this statement is affirmative. So I have written declarative affirmative. Just like that, you will do the rest. So kindly read the rest of the sentences and do this exercise in your registers. Now, here we have exercise number 2. What you will do is you will change the following affirmative sentences into negative and negative ones into affirmative. The first one has been done for you as an example. Number 1, Saiba is shivering. This is your affirmative statement. So you will change it into Saiba isn't shivering. Simply add not with your helping verb and it will convert into negative. Now you will do the rest. Simply add not with your helping verbs and change all the affirmatives into negatives and negatives into affirmatives. Now, how will you change the negative into affirmative? To do that, simply remove not from the sentence and it would automatically convert it into the affirmative. Now do this exercise in your registers. That's all for today. To learn more, kindly subscribe SSC Official YouTube channel. Please subscribe now and press the bell icon. Keep watching and keep learning. See you in the next lecture. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.